Hey everybody, John Piazza Norton here with the Missouri Business Podcast. It is, you can't see, it's 2:03 and I'm getting started. I'm going to go around to each one of our 10 participants in this month's Commerce Connection Quest, and we're going to find out how long it takes me to get through all of this. I'm going to flip the camera around, take a little video of Profile by Sanford up north here in the pro shops. And so behind me you can see they've done their window up with all of the flowers and such. You just need to take your picture in front of said window like so. Post it on their Facebook page, tag at Missouri Business Podcast, and that would be step number 1. I'm going to video the next 9, tie this whole video together. We're going to see how long it takes me to get around town and get this done. Hey guys, stop number 2, 2:17 in the afternoon. Jump over here. I'm at Independent Child Montessori School. They're over here. Done their little window for us already. All you gotta do is come take a picture in front of the window or give them a call, come on out. But everything's no contact, it's free to play. I'm gonna post this on their Facebook page. That gets me the entry for them. I only got 8 more to go. Hey everybody, this is my 3rd stop. It is 2:24. I'm heading over here to Jeff Rippey Acupuncture inside the Reveal Wellness and Med Spa building. It is in the East Ridge Village shops over by Perkins. And actually the new Hazel's is going to go in right over here, which is going to be pretty cool. But I'm going to take my video here in front of the window. You can see the little lotus flower on the side. And Jeff Rippey runs hours on Wednesday through Saturday, so just check it out right here on his Facebook page, because that's where I'm going to post it. I'll see you at the next stop. Hey everybody, it is 2:29 and we're at stop number 4, which is the St. Joseph Museums over here on Frederick. If you've never been, a lot of cool stuff. There's the Wyeth Tootle that's also downtown, but there's definitely your money's worth when you get the 5 museums all in one. I'm gonna climb the stairs here, show you their window, and then get back in the car and head over to the next stop. We're about 30 minutes in at this point, so I'm halfway done. It really doesn't take that long. Show you their window here. They went with some vinyl, which looks really nice. This month of May we went with the flower motif. Next month we'll have a different kind of theme. That way we'll know if you did all of the vendors that we have online for that particular month, so people don't reuse old pictures, which would be a fun thing. But nope, we figured that out. So this was St. Joseph Museums, and I'm heading over to AR Workshop. See you in a minute. Hey y'all, it's 2:34. I'm over here at AR Workshop. They've done a pretty cool window. I think you guys will definitely be impressed with what's going on with these guys, as you should be, because that's kind of what they do. So there's definitely flowers as they have to have, we know that. But then they went ahead and did all this too, which is pretty cool. So yeah, they've just reopened. They've got group classes, a little limited on the numbers, but you kind of know how that goes. So check them out. I'm gonna head over to Hunan Restaurant for our 6th clip, and then I'm gonna start tying all these together. Hey guys, stop number 6, Hunan Restaurant. A little fun fact about this window drawing is I actually drew this one, so if you could be nice, I would appreciate it. I'm not an artist, but we definitely needed to get this underway, so I just kind of did the iconic front of the store with some flowers on it. Hunan's, I know you may not know this, but it has a drive-through window, so if you order ahead, which you can, pull around to the side, wait for your food. They'll even call you if you're running a little behind, just to make sure where you're at. So they do a great job, and we're very fortunate to have them part of this event and this event going forward. So heading over to the 7th stop, not sure what it is yet, but I'm gonna check the map and I will check back with you guys here in a second. All right guys, stop number 7, Getz Credit Union, over here on Howard, right off of Frederick, heading towards downtown. Understand the credit union is a little bit different than what you might expect if you've never been part of one before. Becoming a member, all that stuff, I know it can be kind of confusing. Just give a shout out to Sonda. She will definitely take care of you and make sure you understand what this is all about. And take a look at their window. You just come over here, take a picture, post it to their Facebook page, tag our podcast. This will be stop number 7. I'm gonna head on down to Ken Smith. I'm almost done. It's only 2:44. All right, y'all, stop number 8, Ken Smith Autobody, right on Frederick. Just be careful getting out of your car trying to take these pictures and get your door torn off. But if you do get your door torn off, you're already right here at Ken Smith Autobody, so you won't need to worry about it. They do a great job. Last year I had 3 of my vehicles in, so hopefully your luck is a lot better than mine. But if it isn't, come in and ask for Kevin. He'll be able to take care of you. I head on down to somewhere on a beach, stop number 9. It's only 2:49. I might actually hit it with get this whole thing done within an hour. All right, I'm in transit heading down to somewhere on a beach. Almost done with my circuit here. The circuit this month is only 10 businesses. We're really just trying to try this out. Make sure that it all works. Make sure all the buttons work. Make sure people can get around. Make sure people understand. What a lot of people don't understand is what this vacation stay is all about, how it all works. I've partnered with a company that's going to allow us to book these rooms that aren't being used throughout the year. There might be more availability now as nobody's traveling that much currently, but I'm able to give away an unlimited amount of these vacation stays, and so that's why everybody can win. So I package that together for the local businesses that want to play, so they can actually be part of this, help the community get out and do something, and have their social media be a little bit better just because you've shared it. And as you post that, other people that you know get to see, and so on and so forth. So that's the reason that I've put all this together, to really help the businesses locally during this time that we're having. So if you'd like to win a trip, you're going to get a voucher. You can use it. You have 18 months to use it. If you don't want to start the clock right away, I won't send you the voucher right away. So we'll just communicate and figure that out. I need you to go to each of these 10 businesses. I'm doing it by myself, but take your family. We did a sample run last couple weekends ago, and the kids went with, and they're like, hey, can we do some more? So it's a lot of fun. It gets you the trip that you probably need. I had somebody say, hey, I'm super broke. Okay, there's a stay down in Branson. Do that one. You can drive down there. You don't have to worry about a flight. So I am pulling up to somewhere on a beach right now, and I will clip back in here in a second. All right, guys, it's 2:53. I'm probably not going to make it within an hour, but honestly, it's gonna be pretty close. Bryce Bolton, not that far away. But somewhere on a beach, come here and tan. They have other stuff inside. You get done tanning, you wanna hit some balls, you can go to the batting cages. Yeah, they're indoor. It's pretty awesome. But first of all, let's take a look at their window. You see the phone number there. You wanna schedule something, give Ashley a call. She'll be glad to help you out. I'm gonna head on down to Bryce Bolton now. I'm gonna post all these, but literally the trip itself is gonna take about an hour. Hey, I made it. 3:01. So within an hour, you can get to all 10 locations this month. Now the next month's coming up. It's not gonna be that easy. There's gonna be more vendors that are gonna be playing. So this, for you helping us test it out, is gonna be the best month for you to get out and do this. Show these folks that A, you care, B, you want a little something for yourself, get a trip. That's awesome. So this is Bryce Bolton Farmer Insurance down here on the south side, down by 22nd, which is right across the street from where the No Place Dancing Club used to be. And there's their window this month. So now you have seen all 10 windows. You know kind of where they're at. Go take your pictures. You don't have to do video. That's great if you do, but you don't have to. Take your pictures, post them on their individual Facebook pages, tag us at Missouri Business Podcast, and make sure that you click on us so I can see that you've been to all 10. That's it. You win. So appreciate you guys watching the video. If you have any questions, shoot it down below. And I look forward to seeing our first winner across the finish line.